Hello student, today we will learn English subject from Unit 1, lesson number 1.2, Who's the Greatest? If you have textbook, follow with me, and if you don't have textbook, so download Balbharti English textbook from Google. Now we start our lesson. Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest ruler in the world. Now you must have heard story of Emperor Akbar from your generation, from your grandparents, your parents, and he is considered, Emperor Akbar is considered to be great ruler in this world. Not just because he had a vast empire. Now here vast empire means Emperor Akbar had a huge empire, huge kingdom, a very strong army, untold wealth. Now Emperor Akbar is not considered to be great because he had a vast empire or a very strong army or untold wealth. Untold wealth means the property, the money, it cannot be calculated. It is called untold wealth. But because he was a good human being, so he is considered to be great because Emperor Akbar was a good human being. He cared for his subject. Now, cared here it means concern, loved. So he cared for his subject. Subject here it means the people in his kingdom. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religions. Now Emperor Akbar had great respect for the scholars, writers, poet, artists, whether maybe they from different religion. He did not discriminate, but he showed his great respect for all of them. He was a patron of art and culture. Now your patron, this patron word is means a person who always encourage. A person who always encourage. So he was a patron of art and culture. The 9 gems or Navratna in his court were famous. Now here 9 gems or Navratna. Here it means the 9 people who were very good at their profession. Maybe they may be singer, poet, artist, dancer, etc. So such 9 people, Navratna, 9 gems, were famous in his court. Many people believed that of these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Now among these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Means Emperor Akbar loved Birbal very, very much because Birbal had some different qualities in him. Akbar loved to pose interesting question or problem in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. Now here Birbal loved to pose. Pose means ask, to ask, पूछना. So Birbal loved to ask interesting question or problem in his court. He always was asking interesting question or problem in his court, difficult questions, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. Here, never failed means Birbal was always ready to come up with an equally interesting answer. With an equally interesting answer. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal story that we heard today have any basis in history. Now here what it is given, we don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal story that we heard today have any basis in history. Means here it means what? We don't know whether the story are true or false, whether it happened or not. But they have been handed down over generation mainly by words of mouth. Now here generation means from from the father to their children. So we also have heard this Akbar and Birbal story is handed down over from generation mainly by words of mouth. By words of mouth, here it means from one person to the other person. So here are two of them. Now the first story. One day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. Expression means facial expression, whether it may be sad or happy, or maybe his face must be looking intense, disturbed, like that. So one day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? Now, when Emperor Akbar entered the court and when he seated, he said, whom he said? In the court, whoever people were present, there he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? Here, mustache, it means मूछे. In Hindi we say mooch. The court was stunned. Now here stunned, it means surprise. Pull the emperor's mustache. It was unheard of. Now in the court, all the peoples were surprised to hear this question. What type of question Emperor Akbar has asked them? Who has that daring to pull his mustache? Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whips, exclaimed one nobleman. Now in that courtiers means what? People who are present in the court. From among them one nobleman in the one nobleman in the court, he said, flog him, give him 50 lashes of the whips. Flog him, here it means beating with a whip. Beating with a whip. And give him 50 means 50 बार उसको मारो. जो भी मारने की चीज़ है, या लकड़ी रहेगी या और कुछ रहेगा, That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Now another person, what he said? No, that's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another one. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. Now, here offending. Offending means something bad attack, bad act or wrong. The agitated courtiers. Agitated means angry. Now, one person said, whip him, beat him, hang him, cut off his offending hand. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Now, the courtier here, it means the people who are present in the court. So, the people who were present in the court, they were angry and they all began to cry out. All began to cry. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. But Birbal did not react at all. He was smiling. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? Now, Emperor Akbar asked Birbal, what do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In his reply, Birbal said, in my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeat. Now, opinion means what do you have to say? Whatever thinking you have in your mind, that is called opinion. So, in my opinion, O giver of speech to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeat. Now, what Birbal has given suggestion that according to me, you are the giver of peace. Peace means shanti. And the offender, the person who is doing wrong, should be given what? In punishment? His favorite sweetmeat. Sweetmeat means what? Sweet dish. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweet meat for such a grave offense. Now here grave, it means serious. Offense means wrong thing going on. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Have you gone mad? Give sweet meat for such a grave offense. The courtier began to say. The person who were present in the court, they all were surprised to hear what Birbal was saying, and they pointed out to him that, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeat for such a grave offense, means serious offense. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. Birbal still did not react, and he just kept on smiling and he gave an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's moustache? Only his own grandson. Means who would be so bold, who has that daring, who had that guts to come and pull the emperor's moustache? Only his grandson can pull his moustache. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what happened in the morning. And when Akbar heard this, what he heard? That Birbal said only Emperor Akbar grandson can pull his moustache. And that time Akbar he burst out laughing. He burst out laughing means he laughed loudly, because that is exactly what happened in the morning. So when he was at home in the morning, the same incident happened. His grandson has pulled his mustache. So here we finished our first story. Another story is there of Emperor Akbar and Birbal, that will continue in our next lecture. Now here I have given you exercise from this lesson, Who's the Great. Write the meanings of the following words. A patron of art and culture. A person who appreciates, support and encourage art and culture. So when you will write in your English notebook, you have to see this video and write the spelling properly. Don't make any mistake. I know you are not having workbook. So due to this reason, I am giving you all the workbook exercise in this video. So please note it down. To have any basis. Its meaning is to have an authority. To begin to cry out. To weep. To shower praises. To praise someone enthusiastically. In a proper fix. To be in a difficult situation. Lit up. To look happy. To have an advantage. To use, its meaning is to use a situation to gain better knowledge. Closest to the emperor's heart. Dearest to the emperor. Untold wealth. Incalculable wealth. Grave offense. Serious mistake. Now the second question is B1. Who said to whom? Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whips. Its answer is the nobleman exclaimed to Emperor Akbar. In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeat. Its answer is Birbal said to Emperor Akbar. Do you all believe so? So the answer is Emperor Akbar said to the courtiers. Fourth one is the Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Birbal said to Akbar and the courtiers. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. Who is considered as one of the greatest ruler of the world? Emperor Akbar was considered as one of the greatest ruler of the world. Name one of the Navratna whom Emperor Akbar loved the most. Birbal was the one of the Navratna whom Emperor Akbar loved the most. How did Akbar and Birbal's story spread among the people? Akbar and Birbal's story was spread by generation, mainly by word of mouth. Who did Akbar have great respect for? Akbar had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, an artist belonging to different religion. And the last question is, give two examples to show how that sorry give two examples to show that Akbar was an ideal ruler. Akbar cared for his subject. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religion. So this is your English homework for lesson number 1.2, and I want you to write in your English notebook and send it on my personal number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.